Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a lovely chicken curry recipe all the way from Kerala. So we're going to make Kerala style Nadan chicken curry, or as we all call it, Nadan Kozhi curry. Now this is made two ways. So some of them make it without coconut and some make it with coconut. Now I'm making it with coconut milk. So let's get started and check out the recipe. So first I'm going to make the Garam Masala for the curry. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon whole peppercorns, 4 cloves, 4 cardamom, 2 star anise and a piece of cinnamon. Just cut it into half. Roast the ingredients for about 2 minutes on medium to low flame. Once they've turned to a nice golden color, turn off the stove, transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. Add the roasted ingredients to the mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine powder. Take a nice wide pan. Pour about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So for this particular Nadan Kozhi curry, that is the Nadan chicken curry, it is essential that you use coconut oil because it's going to add a lot more flavor to the dish. So I've just added a few whole spices, fennel, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, a few peppercorns and bay leaf. To the pan, add 2 large onions thinly sliced. Saute the onions till you get a nice golden color. Once the onions have turned golden, add a few curry leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After 2 minutes, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Next, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes, roughly chopped. So after adding the spice powders, after about 2 minutes, add 1 kilo of chicken, which is cut into medium-sized pieces. Add the chicken and mix everything well. Next, add 3 green chillies slit, mix it along with the chicken. Make sure the masala coats the chicken nicely. Add 1 cup of water, mix everything well. Close the pot and let it cook for about 15 minutes on medium flame. The chicken has cooked beautifully. Now finally I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper and the ground garam masala powder. Just mix everything together. So I've added about 2 cups of thick coconut milk. Coconut milk is going to give a lot of flavor to the curry. So you can see the gravy has become nice and thick. Add 1 cup of water, mix everything well. So I'm going to check for seasoning at this point and add a little salt. So because we've added the coconut milk, it's going to just alter the taste a bit. So I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of salt, just mix it in. Simmer for 5 minutes on low flame. So after 5 minutes, turn off the stove, keep this aside. I'm going to temper a few ingredients and add it onto the curry. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add a few mustard seeds. Next, add about 10 shallots thinly sliced. Just quickly toss it. Next, add a few slices of coconut. You can see I've cut it nice and thin. Now add some fresh curry leaves. Mix it all in. Now add the tempered ingredients into the chicken curry and mix it nicely. This is going to add a lot more flavor to the curry. So here is this absolutely delicious Nadan chicken curry, which is ready to be served. So there you go, here is this absolutely flavorful and delicious Nadan chicken curry that can be enjoyed with some nice rice, chapati, parota, dosa or appam. Now I have served it with idiyappam, which is string hoppers. Now this is an excellent curry which goes with anything. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.